way we become the go-to planner for our referral partners is through our client appreciation events. All realtors would love to get more referrals from their clients, but don't know how and don't have a plan. You as a loan officer can help them create the plan of being the event planner of doing a cookout, doing a barbecue, doing a beer tasting, doing a wine tasting, doing a museum tour. You've got to figure out whatever they're going to be into, you can help plan it, and that's what we did. You could help them event plan it, and you can get them to get sponsors for that event so it doesn't cost you anything. So when we do an event with our realtors, we get title company sponsors, we get inspector sponsors, we get home warranty sponsors, and the beautiful thing, it doesn't cost us anything other than our time and investment. Think about it. You could build this in a way that you're able to be the quarterback of their events, that you get access to all of their past clients and then some, but it doesn't cost you $1. But you've got to be able to know how to put these events together. So seasonal past client events for engagement is the best way to go. So what I mean by that is there is something all realtors would love to do or go to with their clients for holidays. For holidays, what is it? An Easter egg hunt at a park that you can do. What else can you do for holidays? You can do a movie night that comes out, special movie that comes out. You can also do pictures with Santa. There's many, many events that you can do around the seasonal part of things that can help you structure these events to where you're getting massive engagement, you get massive reward from everyone, and you're able to collect the referrals from it. Buyer or seller education events. What I love is watching a realtor want to educate their past clients and focus from a servant's heart of being able to come across for education. Could you help them find a venue? Could you be the gatekeeper of having a speaker come in? And that's what, is there a Google search? A great one I just saw, a gentleman named Dennis, which was a realtor at ours. He did an Investing 101 class. The Investing 101 class showed how to analyze a property, how to find off-market properties, and how to make offers on investment properties. Was that beneficial to him, his clients, and his database? Yes, I think so. So the key to success is how resourceful you are, and can be the vehicle that makes your successes more resourceful than your competitors. The loan officers that succeed the most are the ones that are the most resourceful. If you're the type of loan officer that wants everything to come to you, I'm sorry, that's not me, so I'm not the best coach for you there. The resourcefulness comes from creativity and not giving up at all. With that being said, how resourceful are you? How more resourceful can you become? And again, the more resourceful you become, the more value that you add, and what? The more value that you add, the more valuable you become. So the next chapter we're going to go through is how to scale through who, not how. See you then.